This is the tour of the apartment that I'm staying at in Moscow, Russia. So there's what it looks like from the entranceway. First place here is a living room, even has a piano. The decor here is kind of, this room at least, it's a little bit that kind of old school Russian kind of look to it. This apartment is close to the Baumanskaya train station. And this apartment is a little bit above the third ring of Moscow. So it even has some fish that you don't even have to feed because it has some kind of automatic feeder here. So this is the kitchen. Kitchen has everything you need. Even has a washing machine, which is awesome because it's always hard to find a place to wash your clothes. And this is kind of a mix of old school Russian kind of look and a little bit modern too. So not bad. And this is really a 2-bedroom, but this room is permanently locked. So they just use this for storage, so they never rent it out. That's why there's not even a door handle on there. And this is the bedroom. Pretty big bedroom, good size. Everything is really new in here, redone, new windows and everything like that. And here is the view from the window. You can see the commuter trains up ahead. I don't know if you can see that, but and this is, middle of February, so I guess this is what it typically looks like. Kind of a little bit bleak or dreary kind of looking, some snow on the ground, but not really on the streets much. So let's get a quick look at the bathroom. Being Russian, they always have the toilet separate from the sink and the tub. And so you can see this thing is brand new, really. Everything in here is new, real nice. And the tub, sink, everything's new. Tiles on the wall are new. So it's a nice little place. And this is costing me for a week now that I'm renting it in February. And it cost about $248 for the week, which comes out to about $35 a day. So I'm sure they rent it for more in the summer, but this is what I rented for now in February. And one thing is, don't forget to register yourself with the office, immigration office. Not everybody does that or wants to do it, so if you're going to rent an Airbnb in Russia, make sure that the host is willing to register you, because it is their responsibility to register you, but you're the one who pays the fine if you get caught not being registered. This is the block that my Airbnb apartment is on. It's right on this main street, but the entrance is in the back. So I'm in these sets of buildings over here, right at the end, and my apartment is facing not this street, but it's in the back of the building facing the opposite side. So pretty busy street here. There's 2 supermarkets right across from each other here, so pretty convenient. I shopped at the supermarket over here. That's where I got my groceries from. But there's another place across the street. Looks maybe even a little bit nicer. I don't know. So if you walk down this way, I think it's 650 meters, about what, a quarter of a mile, something like that. There's the train station on the number 3 line, Baumanskaya. So pretty convenient. Just get on the train. There's also a bus that goes through here right to the city center somewhere by Red Square or whatever. So pretty good neighborhood, I would say, to rent an apartment. It's right above, a little bit outside the third ring, so you're not going to be paying the higher prices inside, you know, the city center. So this is my building right there, and the entrance is right behind there. So this is what it looks like in the middle of February in Moscow. It's a little cold out here. It's probably like, I don't know, 28 degrees or something like that Fahrenheit, which is what, minus 2 Celsius maybe. So this is what the area around my Airbnb apartment looks like. That's my video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe, and check out my channel for some new videos coming up soon.